So a storm is coming your way, and you are preparing for the worst. Beyond grabbing your favorite bedside animal, be sure to do the following to ensure your safety in the event of an outage. Have at least a 3-day supply of water, food, and medication. Keep and regularly refill first aid kits for your home and car. Keep flashlights and a battery-powered radio handy. Make sure both items have fresh batteries. A safe alternative to candles are lanterns or battery-operated lights. A whistle can be used for signal for help in case of emergency. A local map is useful if technology isn't available, but make sure it's a current map. Arrgh! Develop a communication plan to stay in touch with your family during a storm, including where to go if separated and important phone numbers to memorize. Keep cash on hand in case ATMs and credit card machines are not working. In any storm situation, refer to consumersenergy.com/outage center for more safety and preparedness tips.